If you're a broke Indian man who feels so lost, stuck, and don't know what to do, motivation is not what you have to look for because discipline is what gonna fix you. In this video, I'll break down without hype, with just pure logic. So, why you don't need motivation? Bro, motivation is a lie. It's like sugar which gives you instant high for like 10 seconds, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. After that, it's gonna drop you so low, like instantly low. So what actually is discipline? Showing up every day even though it feels pointless. Journaling every day even though it feels pointless. Working out every day even though it feels pointless. That's what discipline is. And discipline and consistency creates the habit which is gonna last long. Habits aren't gonna fade away like motivations. So discipline is a key to build the habit you always wanted. I was the guy who just scrolls reels just to find a video which will instantly give me 10 minutes of motivation just to read 2 pages of a book. I'll intentionally search for a video to give me motivation. I'll start a routine on Monday and quit by Wednesday. Motivation gave me that instant belief of it didn't help me to make any progress in my journey. And that's when I decided I told to myself that screw motivation. I'm just gonna show up every day, no matter what. Even if it feels pointless, I'm gonna show up every day. And here I am. So, how do you build discipline? There's a lot of ways I can tell you to build discipline, but by far, these 3 steps are the most important or the main steps which help me to build my motivation, my discipline, my habits, which made me lose a lot of fat. And I'll tell you guys the 3 main steps I used. It's just simple. You wake up, make your bed, drink a glass of water, and write down that you made your bed. You cleaned your surroundings and drank a glass of water. That's it. So, how this actually gonna help you? This isn't like a normal thing you do every day. So, when you change your habit, you just wake up, make your bed, and drink water. You know for a fact that this is something only the top 1% of men do, unlike the 99% of the survivors. So you're gonna wake up and do this exact 3 steps. Wake up, drink a glass of water, make your bed, and write it down. Your body signals your mind that he's doing something productive, he's being disciplined. But it's just 3 simple steps. Using that steps, you're gonna trick your body to signal your brain that you're doing something productive. Had to pause the video because of the background noise. So when you do these 3 simple steps, your body is gonna trick and signal your brain that you're doing something productive in order to be disciplined. And that works because after you do this 3 step, your brain gonna signal your body to do something is productive in order to keep the day in the momentum of self-improvement. You somehow made your brain believe that you're into self-discipline and self-improvement, and your brain gonna keep up with you. You may feel like working out because you drank a glass of water and you made your mind fresh by journaling it, and you feel so productive and fresh. You're gonna do something that's productive in order to keep the day in the momentum of self-improvement. You don't want to waste this kickstart of the day. So right now you understand what motivation and discipline is. Your mind feels like, okay, so now I understood what discipline is. I'm gonna keep up this mindset and I'm gonna show up every day. But the hard truth is, you're not gonna show up every day. After 5 or 10 minutes, you're gonna just forget about this video. So I have something to kickstart your day. The top link in the description is my free private community for guys who really wants to build discipline. So now you feel like you've got the discipline. You understood the difference between motivation and discipline, and now you think that you're gonna work hard, you're gonna show up every day, but you're not gonna do that. I know because I have experience in this. I'm already one step ahead of you. I know what really happens when you get discipline through videos like this. You have to build it. In order to build discipline, I have a private space for Indian men like us, which is the top link in the description. If you're really committed into self improvement, if you're really into building your discipline, your mindset, your relationship, your fitness, and your business, check out the top link in the description because it's a private community. It's a private space for masculine guys like us who wants to improve their social status as a masculine man. Subscribing, it's not a want. I don't want lakhs and lakhs of views. I don't want the silver play button or gold play button. I don't want the big numbers of dopamine feature. I want true men who really wants to improve their life. So the top link in the description is my free community where you can chat and get along with other masculine men in order to improve your life, where you can build the brotherhood, a tribe of real men. Do check out the top link in the description.